Another good compression technique to use is parallel compression. And this is a form of upward compression where it retains the dynamics of the original audio, but it mixes it together with a heavier compressed version of the sound. And the benefits of this are that you get the good dynamics with the original sound, plus there's this extra flavor of this heavy compressed sound, which adds some extra character to the sound. It's really just a great way to fatten up some sounds, much like the drums. So in this video, let's use the drums as an example. So to set this up in Mixbus, you need to first make sure that your drums are all going to a Mixbus already. So as you can see, all my drums are going to this drums Mixbus over here. And then you need to send them to another Mixbus where the parallel compression is going to be happening. So on this Mixbus 6, let's just add all the drums over there. So that's this Mixbus here. Let's rename that parallel drums. Let's actually make it all capitals. Parallel drums. So we've got the parallel Mixbus drums over here. If I play this back, here's the drums. So that's just got your standard drums with the compression that's been applied to those. This is then being sent to this parallel drums as well. Now on this, let's slam it with some heavy compression. How about going for the limiter? Have a longer release. Maybe pull that threshold down even more. Have a shorter release. Let's see what that sounds like. It actually sounds better with the longer release. We can even add some tape saturation and even some EQ tonal enhancing. I think it's fine with the bass boost, and let's scoop out some mids. So if you compare this to the original drums, then onto the parallel compressed drums. That's really a heavy dose of compression on those drums. Awesome. So now how it works with parallel compression is you're going to dial in a bit of that with the original unprocessed drums. So take that volume for the parallel drums Mixbus and drop it all the way down to 0. So just solo both of those and start dialing it in. Before. Start again. Add in the parallel drums. Awesome. So that's parallel compression for you. You're mixing a heavy compressed signal with the uncompressed sound. I could take it maybe a step further and turn off all the compression that's being used on the drums. I think that's everything there. To really hear the difference between the two. So this is the completely dry, uncompressed drums. And then this is the parallel drums. And then the two mixed together. Awesome. So it's really just a great way to push your elements a bit more and hype them up in a natural way. So it can be quite subtle by just adding a small amount mixed with the original, or it can be quite a big difference if you really push this up and want to use it that way in your material. So that's taking a look at some different types of compression techniques that you can use within Mixbus and how to use it in your mixing. Catch you in the next video.